Hey there, this is Chuck, maker of Turas.app, here to show you our latest feature to help you plan your next adventure faster than ever. Let's say we're planning a trip to Terceira. This is a beautiful island in the middle of the Atlantic. We can quickly get started by adding days to our trip. Of course, we are going to visit Biscoitos. And there it is. We can easily use Turas.app to look for places nearby to grab a quick snack. This looks like a great place. Now, if you're like me, you're probably browsing around the web, looking for itineraries and ideas for your own travel adventures. And if we find a great itinerary like this, the ultimate 3-day itinerary to Terceira Island, Portugal, there's a lot of great advice and information on how to plan your trip, where to eat, what to visit. But it's a lot of work to bring this into Google Sheets or even bringing this into Turas manually. So instead, what you can do is copy this URL and use our new feature here to add days from a URL. All you have to do is punch in the URL, and right away, Turas.app goes out and reads that blog using AI and pulls out the various places to visit, places to eat, and places you'll transit through. So using this mechanism, you can really quickly build an itinerary. And of course, whatever you're not interested in, you can just delete. So this is a really great tool if you found a blog that you really like, and you can very quickly copy that itinerary and just keep the days and the places that you want to use in your own planning. Thank you for checking out Turas.app, and I hope you check out our other videos on how Turas.app can help you plan your next adventure faster than ever.